Right, what were you just doing there, monkey girl?
Being stupid.
What did you do? Oh dear. You've decaffeinated him.
Decaffeinated?
Decaffeinated.
I made this. I made this for our first date, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was your birthday. What was the reason?
Yeah, but...
I think it was your birthday. I made this on our first date for your birthday. And now its head's been removed.
We should have glued it better.
Oh. I'm feeling so much more energized today. Whoa. I'm back, baby. It happens every single month. I never learn my lesson. Today's vlog contains many disparate activities. Let's break them down into chapters. That's better. Problem solved. Got his head back. It's kind of an awkward shape to clamp it back together, so I just use a dab of wood glue and then a little bit of super glue just to hold it in place whilst the wood glue dries. Seems okay. I don't have any waste storage at my workshop, so about once a month, every 2 months maybe, I have to take all my rubbish to the recycling centre. I'm just going to load the van now. I don't know if I'm going to go today. Remember that chair that I fixed? Came out great. Super sturdy again. I just need to clean off this excess glue. Looks good. Now I just have to figure out what to do with it. Check out this box right here. This is the box that I got from Axminster. It contains my new plug cutting bits. These bits, they drill these holes and then you can pull the plugs out. You see, this one right here drills into the wood and then you pull out the plug. And then you can drill another hole and use this to like cap a screw, for example. Well, this box is entirely unsuitable for purpose, and A, they don't all fit. The box doesn't want to close properly. And second of all, they all fall out of their locations and end up clattering together and becoming dull. So I want to 3D print a new storage system for these so that they don't get all beaten up like my last set. Let's go. I just want something super straightforward. I'm going to use my calipers. I'm just going to measure these, make a little 3D bracket to hold them that I can screw to a wall. That's it. Nice and easy. Okay, I think that'll do for now. These little wings on the side are so that I can screw it to a cabinet, and I've countersunk the holes. And I've also added a little step all the way around. You can just see the step here. It goes around like this, and then it also goes up and then into this groove down the back. And that is so that in case I want to come back later on, whoa, And that's so in case I want to come back later, I can 3D print a little lid to go on top in case I need to transport this around. So I'll probably try and 3D print this in the next few days. I'm probably going to actually use these on the fancy piece of furniture that I'm making. Speaking of, I started working on that fancy piece of furniture, but I think I'm going to wait and not put any of that in this video just yet. I might transponse it into other videos, and then that way it will seem to move along quicker, because at the moment it's just lots of small steps each day. That's the best way to move things along, tiny little steps. But yeah, I'm going to put footage for the fancy furniture in another video, because right now there's not really much to show, even though I've been working on it in the background. It's not very visually interesting, it's just planks of wood.
No problem, thank you very much.
That's it.
Right, see you later, yeah?
Thanks, then.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Mai's out late tonight, so take away. Thank you. Today's been one of those great days where you're just left alone for the entire day. I've had no visits from anybody. Mai's away. I've got the whole morning, afternoon, and evening just to do all those little random, annoying little things that you want to do, but you don't normally get time. It's great. It's now 11:06. I have to go pick up Maya from the Bath Creative Awards. Can you see that? Check out how dry my hands are. I'm like a reptile. You know, yesterday was 2 weeks of daily videos, so I've done 14 videos. I've made 14 videos in 14 days.